Okay, here's a Lionel 624 with gobbed on paint. And we're going to try to sandblast it off. Here's the sandblaster.
Yeah, I saw that.
And we'll put him right inside there. And we'll turn on the vac and the air and get going. 10 seconds and we got some black paint off.
Yeah.
After another 30 seconds, more blue. You can see the handrails starting to get the top and the other side. Went really quick. Check that out. Okay, the 624 is out of the sandblaster. About 2 minutes, all the detail is back. The glossy, globby paint is gone. Wash it, ready for paint.